Goldman Sachs just issued a warning. 300 million jobs are at risk globally by 2028. Not 2035, not 2040. 28, that's 4 years away. McKinsey dropped the real number last month. 50% of white-collar work will be automated. That means your job. Legal research took 1,000 hours. Now ChatGPT does it in 8 minutes. IBM cut 7,800 workers last week. They're replacing them with AI systems. Deloitte analyzed 100 companies. 94% are already cutting headcount. Morgan Stanley ran the numbers. Software developers face 44% job loss potential. Accountants face 37%. The shift is happening now, not later. Your competitor is already training AI right now. They're documenting your work, your processes, your mistakes, your replaceable patterns. This isn't speculation anymore. It's financial documents. It's earnings calls. It's quarterly reports from the world's largest firms. The real question isn't if your job is vulnerable. The question is when. Some roles survive through 2028. Others don't exist in 90 days. The ones surviving, they evolve. They learn AI tools. They become AI managers. They don't compete against AI. They work alongside it. That's the difference between staying and leaving. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.